Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a fantastic iPhone feature that's perfect for those who use hearing aids or AirPods, Live Listen. This accessibility tool turns your iPhone into a remote microphone, helping you hear conversations more clearly in noisy environments. It's especially useful in 2025 with the latest iOS updates, making it even more seamless. If you're ready to boost your hearing experience, let's dive right in. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Head to the Settings app, it's that gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This is where all the magic happens for customized features. Once inside, look for the Audio, Visual section and tap on it. Here, you'll find Live Listen listed. Go ahead and select it. Before turning it on, make sure your compatible device, like AirPods or a paired hearing aid, is connected via Bluetooth. You can check this in your Bluetooth settings if needed. Now, simply toggle the Live Listen switch to the on position. You'll see a confirmation, and you're good to go. For the best results, position your iPhone closer to the person or sound source you're trying to hear. You can adjust the volume directly from your screen for fine-tuning. If you run into issues, like the feature not showing up, double-check that your device supports Live Listen and that Bluetooth is enabled. It's a common fix. Live Listen is a game-changer for accessibility, making everyday interactions easier and more enjoyable. Give it a try and see how it transforms your experience. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.